Selection sort is a sorting algorithm specifically an in-place comparison sort. It has n-squared time complexity. Let's have an example. So we have a list of 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 2, and we are going to use selection sort to sort this list. We have one space name minimum value. So let's copy first item to the minimum value here and compare this value to other items. We have the arrow here to point out we are at this location. So 4 is smaller than 6, so we are not changing it. And 4 and 1, since 1 is smaller than 4, we are going to change this value to 1. And 1 to 3, 1 is smaller, and 1 is smaller than 5 and 2. Since this item 1 is different than this 4, we are going to swap these two items. So 4 is going to be 1, and 1 is going to be 4. Let's move this point. So now the minimum value, we are going to change this value to 6 and compare to rest of the items. So 6 and 4, 6 is greater than 4, so we are not going to 6 is greater than 4, so we are going to change this item to 4. And 4 compared to 3, 3 is smaller than 4, we are going to change the minimum value here to 3. 3 is less than 5, nothing changed. 3 is bigger than 2, so we are going to change this value to 2. So this point 6 is different from this minimum value. We are going to swap 6 and 2. So this value is going to be 2 and this value is going to be 6. So we are going to move this point to the next item. So next minimum value is going to be 4 and compare to the rest of the remaining items. So 4 compared to 3, 3 is smaller than 4, so we are going to change the value to 3. And 3 is smaller than 5, 3 is smaller than 6. Since current point is different from this minimum value, we are going to swap these two items. So this one is going to be 3 and this one is going to be 4. And move this arrow to the next item. The minimum value is going to be 4 and compared to 5, 4 is smaller. Compared to 6, 4 is smaller. So nothing changed. Move this arrow to 5. Minimum value is going to be 5 and compared to the next item 6, 5 is smaller than 6, so we don't have any change here. And move this arrow to the next item. 6 doesn't have any remaining item, so we finished the looping here, and now we have the final sorted array here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I have implemented the code using the Python. You can go to this website and check the Python code. Thank you.